come on. Hey. Track near you, that's me.
It is.
Come on, man. You get that, Jack? I'm messing on.
It is.
Oh yeah, baby. I'm tired of getting fucked over and passed up. I had to go back to the forest, man. I had to get back to my roots. Yeah, man. Had to come back and get back to nature, man. A bunch of hiking. Mountain climbing. Success. Meditation, getting back to the bare necessities, man. Yeah, man. Nature brings it out of motherfucker, man. Being around humans too long, I was small, flabby looking and sick. I was getting fucked over, knocked off. God damn it, man. What you want?
Ooh, is it just too much for a bitch to want to speak to her folk?
But not no more, man. This little bear done growed up. That gorilla gon' get his, and I'm knocking these suckers off, Jack. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Wait till they get a load of me, man. A full dose of this animalistic pimpin'.
Excuse me. There you are, my little bitch. I've been searching for you all over. Oh, I see you've come to the forest to get back to your animalistic roots. Yes. I see you've built a little muscle on your body. Rubbish.
You know what? You just the motherfucker I wanted to see.
And I've been waiting on you too, my little sweet bitch. Run along to the store, get me a pack of Newports, some icebreakers, and a Mountain Dew. Hurry, my little one, before I have to show you again why I'm a gorilla pimp.
Yeah, old punk ass bitch. Hurry your motherfucking ass to the store and get my motherfucking shit, bitch. And hurry your motherfucking ass back. Cause
It was at this point where Gorilla the P realized he fucked up. It was also at this point where he realized Mame the P is back, Jack, and that's a fact.